Whew. So I've been taking a break on working on my RX7s for about a week now, and it's been pretty great. But now it's time to get back on the grind. I have this RX7 that I never talk about, and that's because it's a piece of crap, basically. It's just a parts car, but now it's time to get the rest of the stuff off and get rid of it.
Ever. It's unavoidable. Just happens.
What happens?
When you grow up, your heart dies.
Who cares?
I care.
Lights out, and I really don't like working on this white RX7, so basically let's go take a look at the actual RX7 that I like working on, the one that I care about pretty much. So let's go. Alright, so everything's done with the car. Actually, no, I take that back. Everything's not done. It's never done. Laugh of a project car, right? But anyways, what I've gotten done so far is I've had to modify my tie rods a little bit to make the modded knuckles work. Now that that's in there, I need to go get an alignment. But before I even do that, I need to replace the tire on this side over here at the front. If you see right there, that tire right there, it's actually way too big. This is a 45, it should be a 40 sidewall. And then this wheel right here has a dent on the inside, and so this wheel doesn't hold air. As you can see, it's going a bit flat. So that's what I'm having to deal with right now. But also actually broke one of my lenses earlier on yesterday when I was basically wrapping up. I dropped my camera and broke a lens. And my warranty covered it, sorta. I had to pay $100, but I got an entirely new camera and a lens. So for $100, that beats buying a completely new lens for my old camera, which would have cost me $300. So that was a pretty great value. As you can see, I have a shift knob. I need to put my drift button in, so I don't have to put duct tape on here every time I want to go sliding. I need to get a new fire extinguisher because somehow the pin got pulled out of this. And once I get a new fire extinguisher, I'm gonna find a better spot to mount it. I don't like it having it in the center console right here. I'm gonna put it somewhere up like under here, and it's gonna be nice. I've been feeling down lately about like making videos because I kind of don't like making vlogs like I am right now, obviously. But this is not really like a vlog, you know? It's not like the typical. I actually try to have some. What you just witnessed was me basically losing motivation to actually keep filming today. I worked on my car, messed around with my shifter bushing, and did a little minor stuff here and there. But I didn't really get too much done, as always. I say this all the time, but anyways, man, I hate making vlogs. It's just not fun anymore for me. I want to do more film stuff. So that's what I started my channel with, anyways. Like, I want to film and actually tell stories while keeping it really super nice, flowing, and cinematic. But anyways, I'm gonna start doing that a lot. First thing I want to do is actually create a documentary. I'm gonna interview a lot of big YouTubers or drifters that are in the community, and create a documentary from those guys, asking why the hell do they drift. This is sports, kind of, it's a stupid sport, wasting away a car or whatever, but it's fun when you actually are doing it instead of renting on a car, I'll tell you what. But anyways, I hope you guys like my video. I have a lot of different ideas here when it comes to, what I plan on doing and like videos I plan on making. For example, like, where the hell I come from, who the hell am I, where I was born and stuff like that. And I hope you guys like my video, and please subscribe. Like, come on, man. You just watched my video, right? You got to the end. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Because I try to upload every other day, and just subscribe. It really motivates me to actually keep doing this. It takes a lot out of me. I'm not making money from doing YouTube, so please subscribe so I can actually do this and not be so depressed, because every time I make a video I get like 200 views and then that's it, and like all that effort and stuff, I feel like it's wasted. But yeah, man, just please subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.